Welcome back to the channel and another video. I have already unboxed the iPhone 12 Pro silver color and you can check that out in the channel. And here I have the regular iPhone 12 with 64 gigabytes of storage, and this is the red color or product red. The box and the size is almost identical, or actually identical, to the Pro model. It is much smaller than the previous models of iPhone because of the charger being removed from the box. And I would say it's almost half of the regular box. These colors used on the box are also very eye-catchy and I really like it. Let's start our unboxing. We put the phone aside for a while and making sure Apple has cared enough for our planet by removing the charger for this model as well, which surely they have. So we have a USB Type-C to a lightning cable. Then we have some paperwork, SIM ejecting tool, and Apple stickers. So that's all about the unboxing experience. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. Let's remove this cover. In contrast with the Pro model, this regular 12 has a matte finish on the frame, which I really like and prefer. And this red color on the frame is just so good. I really like it. But on the back, the color is a bit different from the color of the frame. It is still red, but it's not red enough, if you get what I mean. It is good, but it's just different than what we have seen before from Apple red products. We don't have that metallic finish to it. The cameras here are 2 compared to the Pro model, which we have 3 there. I will do a camera comparison between the two, so make sure you're a subscriber and also turn the notifications on if you want to see that. Overall, the build quality and the boxier design is my favorite, and I like this finish more compared to the Pro model. Now let's go and boot this up. So here you have it. The display size and the quality is same as the Pro model. Both have a 6.1 inch OLED panel with a big notch and standard 60 Hz refresh rate, which I have already talked about it and how crucial I think it is to be upgraded by Apple. And let me grab the Pro model and put these side by side. Here they are. As you can see, they are identical, and if it wasn't for the camera, you probably couldn't tell the difference between these two. The Pro model is a bit heavier though, and probably it's because of the extra camera, I'm not sure, but I think you will get very similar performance on these two phones. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will try to answer them. Anyways, that is it for now. Thanks for watching, and until the next one.